way for the first trip of the year. It's exactly 5 right now. The sun has not even shown its face. But yeah. As the sun finally deemed to show its beautiful face, by then we were already at the most iconic spot in the whole of Kolkata, the beautiful Howrah Bridge. We were making our way to Howrah station, from where we're gonna start the first trip of the year. So we are here at Howrah on our way. Good morning. So finally I'm getting some time যে নিজের মুখের একটু ছবিটা তুলি। ঠিক আছে, বকবক করতে অনেস্টলি সকালবেলা ইচ্ছে করে না, বাট ওই আর কি। So this is the trip, very anticipated trip, and it has a lot of things ongoing with it, which we'll get into detail a bit later. But yeah, the train is here, we need to get going. So let's go. Finally. Finally Vande Bharat. So finally Vande Bharat. দাঁড়াও, সিট খুঁজতে হবে। We are in C11. জোড়ায় গিয়ে কোথায় চলে গেছে I don't know. Wait. এটা 12. চলো ওঠো আস্তে আস্তে। আমি আমরা ফাইনালি ট্রেনে উঠে গেছি অ্যান্ড উই আর অন আওয়ার ওয়ে। এই হ্যাঁ সবাই রয়েছে। হাই, কিছু বলার আছে? তুমি কিছু বলবে? কিছু বলবে? কাকু লাইক না না আমাকে ছেড়ে দাও, কিছু বলার জায়গা রাখিনি। কি হলো ওর আবার? কি হলো? তাই কি হয়েছে বল।
I thought I saw someone.
So what's the verdict? What's the verdict?
No verdict.
This train is from.
She's tired. হ্যাঁ ভাই, কি অবস্থা মুখটা। So the trip is starting finally, first trip of the year. শেষে কি হবে? Always with this kind of expressions. Why?
ভাই মাঝখানে ওদের এরকম ঘোরানো সিট করা দেয়, দুজনে ফেসিং
পরে we'll come back to this later. Right.
So we have arrived at the station.
Oh, we are taking a video.
Yeah, and there's a water so let's get back. First time of us being in the Vande Bharat Express. It is. Yeah, we are super excited. And okay, I'll see you when we reach Goa, because our first stop is Goa. We'll go there, both Gaya, and then we'll meet. আমারটা নিয়ে নে। হাওড়া ব্রিজটা দেখতে হবে? দেখতে পাবো না না?
না, উল্টো দিক। ট্রেন ছেড়ে দিয়েছে। I was feeling very very tired, but thank goodness, because the first course of in Vande Bharat is in. So I got some coffee, biscuits. I brought chips beforehand. So yeah, that is the food. Maybe এটা একটু হেল্প করবে যে ঘুমটা আমার চলে যাবে। So that is the main idea. So far the view is nice and the company is nice too. Even though don't worry about it, we will start fighting soon enough, right? You have nothing to say or what? Mon brat rakh liye.
I'm hungry and I'm tired. I want to sleep, I guess. So
Go to sleep. Oh, the scenery is so nice.
why are you filming me?
Why are you in the frame? Who told you to be in the frame? Basically খাওয়ার পর্ব শুরু হয়েছে। লাঞ্চটা আমরা পেয়ে গেছি সারপ্রাইজিংলি, যদিও আমাদের নামার টাইম হচ্ছে 12:30, but we are still getting lunch. But for it has a strong spiritual as well as a bit personal feeling to it. So this was a trip that was in the works for some time, and so here's the thing. First, we are going to Goa. Goa because this is where we are going to do a puja for my late grandparents and wish for their, mukti. That's the Pindatan puja. So my mother wanted to do it for a very long time, and it was kind of an urge, that comes from inside. And we are a deeply spiritual family. We believe in these things, and that is the reason we are actually moving to Goa first. And after that, we'll be moving to Banaras because, well, Shivji was calling, and I answered the call. Not me, everyone. So yeah, this trip is mostly about helping add more water and help that spirituality come alive once again, because in the daily hubbub of life it becomes very difficult to connect to your roots, connect to that inner peace and everything. So yeah, so this trip is mostly about getting that peace back. And of course there's another added layer to it which we'll be talking about much later. So yeah, this is the reason we are moving for Goa first and then to Banaras. So yeah, that's the gist of it. And honestly, I was feeling so cooped up at home, and it's been so long that we went on a trip. The last trip that I went on was to Vrindavan last year, and after that a lot of plans got cancelled. Life took a very different turn, and well, here I am. I don't know where I'll be going next because as I said, life is taking a very different turn. But yeah, let's see. Let's hope for the best. Right now I'm just enjoying the scenery, relaxing a bit. My health has not been my best friend of late, so there's that. But sometimes you just need to forget everything and get going, So that's what I'm doing at this point. So yeah, Har Har Mahadev.
We have landed at Goa. As you can see, it's like scorching heat. Like literally, I cannot see anything without the sunglasses on. Reflection here, and you can see the heat. We are burning up. সবাই চলছি আমরা, and we'll now head towards our hotel. And oh my god, so much hot. Jonas Brothers একটা burning up song ছিল না?
देवदास सिलसिला वो चलते दिए हवा को ह्यूमन जलते दिए.
I'll catch up with you guys once we reach our hotel. Bye.
যা মনে হচ্ছে আমরা এখানে অলরেডি ট্যান হয়ে গেছি।
নেক্সট 7 দিন আরো ট্যান হয়ে যাবে।
তুই দেখ, তোকে কিন্তু ফর্সা লাগছে, আমি কিন্তু অলরেডি কালো হয়ে গেছি।
হবো এবার, ধারা এই কালো আরো কালো হবো।
এইখানটা বসতে হবে। এই যে পাঞ্জাবের অটো ছিল চণ্ডীগড়ে। আচ্ছা, সব এতজন মিলে বসে পড়ো।
এখানটা বসে, এখানে
সিট রয়েছে। এই ও বিনিনালে চলে যান কাকি অলরেডি মাথা লেগে যাচ্ছে, মাথা ম্যানেজ করতে পারছে না। কি আয়
Now seat exchange চলছে, so we are going to the hotel or whatever, I don't know, that has been arranged.
খানারে যে তো খানারে তোরাই দেখে গেছি এই পাটা দেখে এনে ঢুকে যা। ঠিক আছে, মাথায় না লাগে।
My god, PR is already going to make me look very bad.
চন্ডী মাথায় না লাগে। চন্ডীগড়ে এরকম উঁচু কদিনের জন্য পাঠিয়েছিল।
বিকেলবেলা বেরোনো হয়েছে, মামাসিরা ফুচকা খাচ্ছে, এখানকার পানিপুরি। ভার্ডিক্ট কি ভালো মা? ভালো? ডিম্বা কাকিমা ভালো? ব্যস্ত? At first they said they will not be having anything, puchka or something, but then it was actually quite good, very similar to Kolkata, but aside from the fact that আমাদের আলু মাখা থাকে, but they are using ঘুগনি here. That is the basic difference, but it's pretty good. সকাল সকাল উঠে পড়েছি because we are going for the pujo today, and বিধ্বস্ত লাগছে as usual, and অনেক সকালে উঠতে হয়েছে, কাল রাতেও শুতে যেতে হয়েছে। তো যাই হোক, আমরা যাচ্ছি তো তোমার অ্যাকম্পানি করতে পুজোতে, বাট আসল দেবে একদম বাঙালি নারী হয়ে গেছে দুজনে। কালকে কত সাজগোজ, ও মা জেসিবি, ওই দেখ ওই আখের এগুলো হচ্ছে।
কালকে চালু হয়েছে, একটা কিনলে একটা ফ্রি দিচ্ছে।
এটা হচ্ছে গয়ার গলি।
গয়ার গলি।
এই করো, এটা তো এক একটা আলাদা আলাদা, সবাই হট করে বলবে ওই গয়াতে গলি আছে।
अली गली।
তুমি আগে আগে যাও,
হ্যাঁ,
তুমি আগে আগে যাও।
তো পাহাড়ে যেতে হবে না?
তোমরা তো, আমি তো আছি, আজকে আমরা গার্জিয়ান।
মাকে গাইছেন?
হ্যাঁ আমরা আজকে গার্জিয়ান।
দিদিমণি বলতে হবে এবারে।
আমরা তিনজন গার্জিয়ান।
So we are on our way to the ghats where the puja will be done. Kaku and my mother will be doing it. The roads are fairly clean. Pandit ji is leading the entire thing. এই তো কচুরি এখানে পেয়ে যাবো, এর এক জোড়া। এ দেখো রিম্পা মিম খাবার আছে। কত পেতল, বেশ সুন্দর। কত লোক, वाओ। घाट के ओर जाने के रास्ता। जय 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 हनुमान जी की जय। लस्सी, this is a specific, like you know, typical Ghat culture. The same we can also find in Dakshineshwar. So we are going to the Ghat now. Wow, I can get a small tiny glimpse. The steps are very steep. Okay, the infamous Nadi. I'm not very sure I should video this, so I'm gonna kind of stop in here. Like I said then, I was a bit wrong. It was not Saraswati, it was Pholgu Nadi. And yes, it was cursed because the Nadi lied about Mata Sita. And
About her chastity.
something related to that. I have to learn
About her
this.
character actually.
Yes, yes. I think Pholgu Nadi lied, Tulsi lied, Banyan Tree told the truth. I think someone else also lied. 3 people lied, one said the truth. Banyan Tree said the truth. So yeah, that was Pholgu Nadi. And I didn't take any video of the puja because it was very deeply personal and very much rooted in our own family time. So yeah, but yeah, I just wanted to correct this because I thought it was Saraswati because it was in my mind, you know, this Saraswati Nadi also disappeared at a certain point of time. So that was what's going on. So yeah, I wanted to correct that. So first part of the puja is done. We are on our way to the second part of the puja. I have no idea where we are going, but just going with the flow and, you know, soaking it all in. Yeah, that's it. কি হচ্ছে? সাবধান সাবধান। কি মন্দির? গয়াশ্বরী মন্দির। আচ্ছা, this is গয়াশ্বরী মন্দির। কেন? ওকে,
এক মিনিট,
কি বলো?
দাদা এদিকে চলে এসো। বলেছো দাদা
First time sitting at the back.
Yeah, we are sitting at the back.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Oh, the first part of the puja is complete, so we are on to the next part. To be like sitting in this trekker kind of thing and moving forward. There is a saying in our Hindu tradition that Satyameva Jayate. This Vriksha, banyan tree, is a true example of that because as per the Ramayana, this tree was the only individual who said the truth when Ma Sita asked whether she has really done the Pindadan for Raja Dasharath, and that is why it was given the boon of long life. And this is the exact tree where the Pindadan happened for Ma Sita, and it is still standing today. And knowing and being here is like surreal. I've been roaming throughout the day. This is a much needed retreat. Trying the famous lassi from here, and my mother is having tea. That is the reason we are all sitting and waiting. Vice President Bapa Shepherd, Presidential Bapa Shepherd. So we are out and about in the evening. Too much noise. I have no idea if you can even like hear to what I'm saying. Which I think you cannot. So sightseeing করতে বেরিয়েছি এখানে, সময় খুব কম। We are going to Bodhgaya. এটা এখানে রয়েছে। হাই জোড়া। Cold shoulder, complete cold shoulder. যাই হোক, going to Bodhgaya and we'll see some few temples here and there. My vlogs are becoming sporadic these days. যাদের কথা বলা যাচ্ছে না। So yeah, let's just enjoy the view and everything. बाकी बाद में we'll talk about it. Since we all had some time on our hands before we left Gaya, so we decided to go for a bit sightseeing. We didn't really have much time, so Bodhgaya was our only destination for the day. And we ventured through the countryside and was met with one of the most beautiful sunsets of my life. It was so peaceful and it illuminated our way completely. So the next step for us was to go to Bodhgaya, and this is the entrance, actually the place where the road starts to it. We went barefoot completely. There were a few mandir here and there that we also got to witness on the way to the Bodhgaya temple, and that was about it. The first view of the temple of Bodhgaya completely struck me with awe. Like, this was a complete architectural marvel, and I have been reading about it all through my life and books, and getting to see it in person was completely spectacular. So we are now kind of food, yeah.
बिहार का स्ट्रीट फूड, we are trying samosa.
How is it?
It's good. Not similar to Kolkata style, but it's good.
Looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are having litti now. যাও ওখানে লাসি আছে। Next we have litti. Litti chokha.
Never had it. First time in my life I'm having it. There was coconut in it.
But it's good.
It's good. It's like it will fill your stomach. Almost like puluri from Bengal. Like that. It's good. I'll give it, I think, 6.5 out of 10.
Okay. Hello everyone. So our Goa trip was pretty successful. जो चीज़ करने आए थे, that has been done. And this specific vlog is just to let you know that we have been staying, because the place has been amazing, like amazing. Everything that we were required to do, including our stay, fooding, and even a significant part of the travel and food expenses, were completely covered under the package that they gave us, and the package was fairly reasonable. So what I'm going to do is, in this particular vlog, like, I really want to give a shout out to them. This is not a promoted poster or anything, but this is just my experience. And just so you know, we got to know about this guest house. from the Facebook tourist. There's a tourism group in Facebook from there itself. So before we go in, I want to give a location. This is in Chand Chauraha, Goa. It's a bit far from the railway station, but it's a pretty crowded area. This is a very residential area and a good place to go for to and fro. All the best sites are very conveniently far, not conveniently far, like too close. Okay, I'm babbling a bit. Anyway, let's get to the guest house. We are in Bengali guest house, and I want to give you a look of it. See if you can take it. So yeah, it's the rooms are pretty standard. They have AC. They have rooms for people who just want to stay general and everything. And we took an AC room and it was very spacious. We had a huge ensuite bathroom and all the amenities were like there was hot water. There was a complete bed that was perfect for 3 people. We are 3 people and Baki jo khana hai, this is completely vegetarian place. So perfect for people coming in here. And the food is very good, homely food hai, and the people are also very good. So this is like where I've been staying. We got the info from Facebook and the review. For us it has been a great stay. The people have been very courteous. So I'll suggest that you definitely come in and stay with them. So the Goa trip is coming to an end. JJ Kajal done. Now we are on our way to the next part of our trip, which is Benares. So yeah, right now we are going to the station and वहाँ से अभी going to वहाँ से वंदे भारत पकड़ना है to Goa. It's a pretty short trip. जल्दी पहुँच जाएंगे दोपहर तक. अभी तो सुबह है, 9 बजे है to be exact. And yeah, overall Goa has been a good experience in the sense that the city is very clean, the people are very good, very practical and punctual. And but ज़्यादा there is nothing to buy as such. And yeah, that's all about it. So we'll on to the next trip. Goa provided us with a good start to our journey as we were moving on to Benares. And with the puja done, there was a peace in my mother's eyes, and that was all what we came for. In all, this was my first trip to the state of Bihar, and it was fairly nice. See you on to my next vlog. Bye.